Welcome to Foto Trippin. In this episode, we visit the motherland. Well, Renee's mother's land, Germany. Renee takes a flight with Aer Lingus and Mr. Daniels to Dusseldorf. The flight is approximately 1 hour and 20 minutes from departure to landing. That is if you have your minion flying the plane. The best and fastest way to get from Dusseldorf to Cologne is riding Deutsche Bahn's ICE train, Intercity Express. These trains reach a top speed of 320 kilometers per hour, and before you know it, you're seeing the River Rhine before arriving at Cologne main station. When you come out of the train station at Cologne, you will be greeted by the world's tallest two-steeple Gothic cathedral. It usually has some sort of construction and repair work going with the building. The locals have a saying, "The day the cathedral is finished is the day the world ends." Interesting fact, during World War II, the Allies bombed the city so bad, the only thing left standing was the cathedral, which they used as a landmark for other bombing missions. Ride on the U and S-Bahn underground trains. They are cheap and get you all over the city. They also are great places for people watching and photography. They are very safe for travel, especially for women traveling on their own. You can purchase tickets on the trams as well as in the stations, and 24-hour and 3-day passes are available at the main train station. Hey, anyone drop an ice cream? This is Met. It's a traditional German sandwich that's very popular in beer halls. It's raw pork mixed with seasoning, made with the highest health standards, fresh that day. It is served on bread, usually with chopped onion and a pickle or salad, sometimes both, and it goes great with beer. For a really enjoyable evening of great Krek, head to Papa Joe's Jazz Lokal in the Old Town or at the main square. There are 2 in the city center, and chill out listening to live jazz bands and marvel at the robot cocktail maker. You might even find yourself bopping away to some great jazz.
Schön angelegt, heute Abend im Riesentempel zu Kolonia sind wir hier in Schrägström.
Well, that's it for this episode of Foto Trippin. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and share. And remember, people, stay beautiful.